Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make or how I do my customized applique. So this is the applique. I purchased this a long time ago, so I'm not really even sure where I got it from, but I'll be sure to find out. I guess I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it's from Etsy or eBay, but I get a lot of my stuff from usually eBay. Okay, so they're usually about like $7 to $10 for a piece like this, and then I just add my own embellishments to it. So these are some of the embellishments that I have today that I'll be using. These are the Swarovski crystals. We have some larger size pearls, and I get a lot of these from, I get my crystals from eBay. I got these from eBay as well. I don't remember the vendor, but these are different shapes. Let's see, let's open this up. And I ordered this for an outfit, a birthday outfit that I had to make. And then I realized they were way smaller than what I thought they were gonna be, so I ended up rebuying some different ones for the outfits. But I thought it would be a good idea to just keep these instead of sending that, because I could use them for something else, which we're about to do today. So this is what's in this one, if you guys can see the different shapes. Said it all. Shoot. This is what it says in there. So I have different shapes like that and sizes. That's those. I showed you the big pearls, and then we have some small pearls. Joanne had these on sale, package beads and string beads for 70% off. So of course I had to go ahead and pick some of those up. I have like a drawer filled with different types of beads and embellishments, but when it's 70% off, I just go ahead and buy more. Okay, these are the small pearls, and then we have these two type of string pearls. So I have 3 of these ones. You can see these, and then there's smaller ones. And we are, oh yeah, and the E6000 glue, which is what I use for my crystals. It's amazing glue. This glue is perfect for everything. I do hate that the top of the glue is so wide because it comes out really fast. I have purchased a larger size, which the larger size usually comes with a like a little screw-on tip that makes it a little bit more fine when you're putting the glue, applying it on. But the average size one doesn't come with that. I tried to purchase some separate tips from Amazon, but they were bigger, so they were for the larger size. So I know I'll keep looking for that so I could kind of get that together, make it a little bit more easier for myself. Okay, so this is again the applique. You can see what this one looks like, and I have a few of these. I have some in black, and these usually come in handy for like prom season. Yep, and since we're about to get into prom season, I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos, and I'm also going to be trying to get into some bridal, so y'all keep your eye open for that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin. I don't really know what I want to do here, but I do want to start with the smaller pearls, I think. Oh yeah, and a hand needle. I'm going to go ahead and use this thread too. Is there a hand needle on this? Hand needle. Okay, so I put a knot in the first bead, and now I'm going to string maybe like 3 or 4 beads and then put a stitch. So that's 1, 2. So it looks like I'll do 3 just to 3. So we have 3 beads here now, and then I'm going to add another stitch. So wherever the beads end, you can see this. So we have our 3 beads. I'm going to hold them in place, add a stitch, and then I'll just keep repeating that. So now we got 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot. Up. 3. slide those down, pick it up, hold them in place, add a stitch. All right, so we'll just keep repeating that until we get to where we stop. Okay, so I have started on the small little crystal beads, the ones that look like this. You can see. There we go. Okay, and so I put the pearls along this one leaf, and then I'm going to shoot the crystal beads along the middle of the pearls. So I have two on there already. You probably can't really tell. Not yet, but I'm gonna keep on. And these ones I'm doing one at a time instead of three at a time. Only because I just want to ensure that it's placed perfectly in the middle. So we're gonna do those. Okay, so that's another one. So this is definitely something that's tedious, but you can always buy beaded applique, of course, but you don't get the same satisfaction when you do it yourself. It's very rewarding when you look at the final product. And I mean, you can make it exactly how you want it to be. This is definitely perfect for bridal as well. Got space for like maybe two more. Actually one more. Maybe two. Uh-oh. So we have a knot. Hopefully we can get this out before it gets tied too tight. So what I'm gonna do to fix that, I went back through the same bead again and made a whole separate knot so that when I cut this extra string that came from the little knot we had originally, all the beads won't fall off. So I made a separate knot to tie that part closed. So I'm going to close this, turn it to the back, put a knot in it, wrap it twice. Alright, so let's clear this extra thread that's just all over the place. I think it's because the thread is so thin, it just keeps making knots, unwanted knots. So, see? Okay. So now I've also decided that I want to start putting some of these crystals on first. I love this really big circle one, but that might be a little too big. Okay, so far this is what we have. So far, if you guys can see, got some big pearls here, one of the rhinestones. I'm gonna put another little rhinestone right here.